If you're one of Mrs Hinch's 4 million followers on Instagram, then you'll know that she is a cleaning queen. Mrs Hinch, real name Sophie Hinchcliffe, has become hugely influential over the past year or so with her cleaning hacks and product recommendations. Her favorite cleaning products are now available all in one place so you can shop them for yourself. Mrs Hinch is always on the go, and she's found that keeping up with house cleaning has never been easier. One of her favorite hacks for quick fixes in between laundry runs: keeping those blinds spotless. She also uses tumble dryer sheets to keep surfaces free from dust mites. Not only does this help with visibility during daylight hours, but it can really cut down how often you need professional services too. For more ideas about what products could make your life a lot easier, not just when things get dirty or full, check out our list below. Mrs Hinch's favorite cleaning products include, in no particular order, here are some of the top cleaning products that Sophie uses. In the bathroom, flash bathroom with Febreze, very important, CIF stainless steel spray and pine toilet cleaner. In living areas, 1001 carpet spray. Her tips have made a huge difference in how often she cleans her home. Mrs Hinch uses the flash bathroom cleaner for her washing machine drawer. She says it removes any buildup of conditioner and smells amazing too. Mrs Hinch's top clean machines. Mrs Hinch loves to deep clean her house with the help of 3 motorized tools. She uses a flash power mop, sonic scrubber, and shark vacuum cleaner because they are great for getting into hard-to-reach places that other types of cleaners cannot go. Might want to add in some voice examples too. You can't beat this deal on these quality appliances. Mrs Hinch's favorite bathroom cleaners. Mrs Hinch is stocked up on all the essentials to keep her bathrooms clean, from Cif Power and Shine wipes or Duck Fresh toilet discs. Viacal Original Limescale Remover Spray will get rid of any leftover limescale buildup, while Blue Foam Aroma fills every corner with an invigorating scent. Bicarbonate soda makes a great alternative when you need strong chemical-laden products like floor cleaners that won't damage surfaces over time like other choices might do. Use it as well for cutting through grease and grime anywhere at home, even in your laundry cycle if needed. It's kind of like baking powder but without electricity. Mrs Hinch's favorite kitchen cleaners are Mrs Hinch's Minky Cloth. This is Mrs Hinch's go-to cleaning cloth, and it's not hard to see why. The Minky Cloth is super absorbent and can be used on all surfaces. She loves using her Minky Cloth to clean up spills, dust surfaces and Polish furniture. Mrs Hinch's Zoflora. She is a big fan of Zoflora, which is a disinfectant that comes in a variety of different scents. She loves using Zoflora to clean her bathroom and kitchen surfaces. She also uses it to freshen up her carpets and rugs. Mrs Hinch's Flash. She loves using Flash cleaning products because they are so versatile. Mrs Hinch uses Flash to clean her windows, mirrors, and floors. She also uses it to remove stubborn stains from clothing and upholstery. Laundry products that Mrs Hinch finds useful. How does Mrs Hinch fake tan? She works hard to get the marks out of her white bedsheets, but luckily she shared some laundry products on Instagram that help. Mrs Hinch's Woodwork Secret. To keep her home sparkly, the cleaning obsessive shared her top tip that she couldn't live without. I love to wash my skirting boards and woodwork, doors frames, etc., with a mix of fabric softener and water. She also recommended using Minka the Star in this show. Lena's Spring Awakening makes the house smell absolutely divine and works a treat at getting any scuffs off without wrecking your paint job. Her favorite scent. Lena's secret weapon for all those who want their car looking new again. How Mrs Hinch manages pet odors and stains. If you've been struggling with that pet odor in your home, then all hope is not lost. Sprinkle some of this magic stuff around and watch as it quickly takes care of any unwanted smells. Mrs. Hinch swears by this nifty product for getting rid of any paw prints on her carpet. She says it works great and that she has never seen such an effective solution before. Dr. Beckman's new pet stain and odor remover have been a hit with the cleaning experts on Instagram. Mrs. Hinch, Queen of Clean, and reality stars Olivia Bowen all recommend this product to their followers when they need help removing stains or smells from your pet's accidents in an easy way that is safe for you and your pet. Mrs. Hinch's fans are always keen to try out her recommendations, so we're sure you'll love these products just as much as she does. Mrs. Hinch is always pleasing her fans with cleaning hacks and product recommendations. The author and Instagram star, who now has over she is always pleasing her fans with cleaning hacks and product recommendations. The author and Instagram star, who now has over Mrs. Hinch is always pleasing her fans with cleaning hacks and product recommendations. Conclusion. If you're looking for a little bit of Mrs. Hinch in your life, her cleaning products might be the answer. These products have been specifically designed to make your home look and feel amazing without all of the elbow grease. Plus, they smell incredible. Ready to get started? Check out our selection of Mrs. Hinch's favorite cleaning tools.